Yeah, yeah.
Anybody ever been to you been to New York City?
Yes.
You ever go to New York City and you see the people that be on the train like, all right, this is not for no basketball team. And they start getting light. That's him. That's legit. I'm not joking. That's legit. On the 4 train, right?
Yes, the 4.
He does the Showtime. Time is it. That's it. All right.
Nah, you full.
Grapes. Green. No seeds. Fresh from the fruit stand that only sold fresh fruit. Fresh. Definition. Directly from the source in its newest form. Question. Is fresh fruit fresh from the tree or fresh from the processing factory? How is it possible for seedless fruit to exist? Fruit, definition, seed-bearing part of a plant. Plant, definition, an organism that reproduces through the production of seeds that are fed by the fruit of the plant. Alternative definition, a building that produces synthesized food for mass consumption. Conclusion, fresh is too ambiguous of a description for the noun fruit. Quite possibly, alchemists are dipping their fingers into biological engineering, cloning, and altering genetic makeup of your food. Question, if they're cloning your food, what makes you think they won't start cloning people soon? They already clone sheep, created broccoli flour, hybrid animals and vegetables are the precursors for the clone wars that have already begun to produce these mutated science projects. Living behind bars and South American circuses, they will soon be able to control the production of minorities. And I'm not just talking about black people. I'm talking about redheaded lefties too. Right now, Stanford University is manipulating human stem cells in graduate laboratories. It's only a matter of tick-tock time. It says only a matter of tick-tock time before you see an identical you. And you'll be nothing more than a copy of yourself, boiled down into a jar of liquid blueprints, labeled with the barcode, numerical representation of your height, weight, social security number on a shelf next to a bottle of seedless grapes. No seeds. Possible side effects? Never fully disclosed to the public. Cause of cancer and sicknesses? Never fully disclosed to the public. Question, is there a connection between processed food and sicknesses? Possibly. Cloning will become like population control, life insurance, tactical to the point the average man won't be able to make families, and the common man will become extinct, studied and remembered by the rich and super rich who fight just to live and let die at the hands of the next scientific revolution before it spins into action. Quote, the only thing keeping man from cloning men is the fact that's immoral. Like lying. Like cheating, stealing, killing, immoral, like the Tuskegee experiments. All immoral but considered justifiable under the right hand of the law. Conclusion, immoral doesn't mean illegal. So secretly cloned people are being reproduced on conveyor belts in controlled environments with the intention of having them leak into the general population, replacing the unfavorable individuals who've all been trained to enjoy eating grapes! Green. No seeds. That have been extracted and planted into the earth to give birth to the clone wars. Thank you.
What was the refrain of that?
Grapes! Grapes!